Welcome to this video, a guide for electrical installations focusing on 10 frequently asked questions about batteries. We'll follow the battery life cycle, starting with the fundamentals and moving through operation, troubleshooting, and end-of-life recycling. FAQ 1. A battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy. The anode loses electrons, the cathode gains them, and the electrolyte moves the ions. FAQ 2. Primary batteries, like alkaline, are single-use with irreversible reactions. Secondary batteries, such as lithium-ion, offer multiple uses with reversible reactions and higher capacity. FAQ 3. Alkaline powers small electronics. Lead-acid starts heavy vehicles, and lithium-ion powers modern devices. FAQ 4. Batteries lose capacity due to calendar degradation during rest and cyclic degradation during use. Heat accelerates both processes, causing them to wear out over time. FAQ 5. To extend battery life, keep them at cold temperatures, use shallow discharges to protect internal components, and employ partial charges to reduce chemical stress. FAQ 6. If a battery stops charging, technicians should check the power outlet, inspect the AC adapter, clean the charging port, and perform a hard reset. FAQ 7. Batteries leak because chemical reactions create hydrogen gas, which increases pressure until the internal seal bursts, allowing potassium hydroxide to leak out. FAQ 8. Lithium-ion batteries contain flammable materials. Microscopic metal dust can cause short circuits, leading the cell to overheat and a thermal runaway to occur. FAQ 9. Batteries can power a whole building. Solar panels generate clean energy, the battery unit stores the excess, and the inverter supplies power during grid outages. FAQ 10. Never throw batteries in household trash. Technicians must tape the battery terminals before sending them to facilities that recycle the materials. We achieve a closed energy loop by building batteries with care, using them safely, maintaining their health, and recycling materials for the future.